Okay, so this is the Coppell Nature Park. This is the plant we're currently studying now. It's called Viburnum rhiphidium. Rusty black haw is the common name for these plants. Now this is a pretty good place for a biology class, as you guys know, because I've heard about, there are a lot of places like zoo and stuff. You can learn about the life of a plant here when you come here to the Coppell Nature Park. And there's more to show you as I continue walking straight forward. This is a nature park. I can't see anything now.